Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change password on Macbook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. There are a number of reasons why you might want to change the password on your Mac. Perhaps you gave it to a family member and grew through regret that decision. Maybe you want to change it to practice good device security. So how to do it if you want to change your password on MacBook? It's so simple. You can open your system preferences. Now you can click on security and privacy. Now you'll find on the general, there is an option change password. You can just click on that. Here you can enter your old password. After that, you can enter the new password for your MacBook. You can verify the new password. Now you can enter the hint. Maybe if you forget your new password, MacBook will give you hint for your new password. After that, you can just click on check password. So now your MacBook password has been changed. It's so simple, right? So that is how to change your password on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.